My daughter's a hater. You know why? Because I told her to leave so I can record, and she told me that's why I'm not going to get any subscribers, which is so dirty. But anyway, hello, my name is Carrie. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you want to see how I got this wash and go, please stay tuned and keep on watching. And I hope y'all enjoy this video. My hair is looking a hot mess, so it's time to shampoo and condition. I already shampooed, so I'm going to start off with the Tresemme conditioner and finger detangle to get out most of the knots. Using the Denman brush, I'm just smoothing the hair out, and then I'm going to put my hair up in some twists. And then I'm using a spray bottle with just plain water in it, and then I'll use that to keep my hair wet while I'm detangling. Detangling is done. Hallelujah. Now I'm using the Ho-Blends Repairing Mask to deep condition, and I'm going to place that all over my hair. I'm just putting my hair in some twists so I can put a plastic bag on my head, and yes, it is from a grocery store, and then I'm going to deep condition. I'm going to use the portable hair dryer, and I'm going to sit under that for 45 minutes. Do y'all see me over here struggling? Finally done deep conditioning, and for my styler, I'm going to use the Eden's Curl Defining Cream. for my edges and to smooth the right, left, and back side of my hair. In the next clip, you'll see that my hair is mostly dry. I'm going to put my hair in a high ponytail because it is time for bed. It's the next day. My hair is looking kind of crazy, but that's okay because we are going to fluff this out. A little bit more gel around these edges and we are all done. Thank you so much for watching, and please like, share, comment, subscribe, and until next time, I will talk to y'all later. Bye.